In this session, I'll show you how to create a lead magnet delivery system using n8n. So first of all, what is a lead magnet system and why it is needed? See, if you want to collect people's or your clients' contact information such as name, email and phone number, just by outreach methods or sending them mail and asking people or scraping websites doesn't do any good. So what you're gonna do is you want to create a magnet system in which you provide something valuable which is useful to them, such as an ebook, a guide, a template, a checklist. And in return, they will fill up a form, a contact form, which you will have on your website. They fill their name, their email, their phone number, and as soon as they click on submit, you will receive their contact details, and in return, you will provide them something valuable absolutely free. So, this is why it works. It's a win win for both sides. So, without wasting further time, let's dive straight into it. So, let me show you quickly a demo. So here you can see the canvas and the workflow. It just consists of 3 nodes: webhook, Google Sheets and Gmail node. And let me go to my website, and then here I have created a form. Here you can see the form has a clear CTA and the agenda, what you will learn, the instructions, what you will get inside the guide. And this is the form where you will get the free guide. You just need to put in your details and click on send me the free guide button. So let's say if I put the name as Sarah and put in my name, email ID, and if I just click on the send, you will get a response message, and here you will see that n8n workflow will work, and then I will receive a mail. See, I received the mail immediately showing the message thank you. And if I click thank you, here's your free guide. You can either download now or it's also attached here. So how it works, let's see the system block diagram. Here, the input is provided in the form by the user, and as soon as they click on the submit button, it goes to the webhook node, and then from webhook node, the data flows to the Google Sheets, where one row is created, wherein we get the user contact details, name, email, phone number, and the timestamp, and then the Gmail is sent with the document link, which you will provide as a free gift to get their email. So this is the basic, very simple workflow. Now let's jump into the n8n dashboard. Here you can see we have 3 nodes, webhook. So if I click on webhook, I have the production URL. The HTTP method is configured to post. The path you can use any name, whichever is suitable for you, and respond you can keep the value as immediately. Then you need to connect Google Sheets to n8n. Here I am using my credentials which are already configured. If you want to know how you can connect Google Sheets to n8n, you can watch my another video which I will put in the description section of this video. So I'll give the link to this video where I clearly explain step by step how you can configure credentials to use Google Sheets in n8n. So here you can see the credentials are already set up. Resources sheet within the document. The operation is append row, and from list lead magnet and the sheet, and the name and email which we have to pull in from the webhook. So here you see the input as name and email. You have to configure those fields here, and the source lead magnet form. So our Google Sheets is set up in the Gmail. You have to put the credentials. Also for this, I have created a video and I will share the link for this video in the description. Kindly check. And if you find any difficulty, you can feel free to comments wherein I can reply as soon as possible. So the resource is message, the operation is send, and two, you will get the email details from the webhook. Here, if you open the on the left side, you will see the name and email. You just need to punch in here this name, and then the subject as thank you. Email type is HTML. Here you're gonna put the message like a thank you message with the downloadable link from your Google Drive where you will keep the document. So very important is, let's say if you have uploaded your document here, for instance, I'm just taking an example, AI content automation. It's a PDF. So you can just share this link, copy link, and put in here in this N10 workflow. It's the same link here. I will share with you the complete workflow in the form of JSON in the description, and you can feel free to comment. So that's it. Our workflow is ready, and you have to, one important thing, you have to configure this production URL in your form, and then let's it should be very important, it should be in the status of published, and that's it. Our workflow is ready, and you just need to click on execute workflow once. And let's try and see another example one more time. So here I will give a name and email, sent, and let's check my email if I received it. See, you have received, and if you click over it, hi Fateh, thank you here for your free guide. Now the most important thing is whether my Excel file in Google Sheets, is it really populating? You can see it here. It's there. The details are already here, appearing here. So I will share even the link to the Google Sheets template form in the description. If you think that this session has added any value, so click on subscribe, which may help to spread this message, to share this knowledge, and let's stay in the loop. Bye bye. Have a nice day.